I'm gonna go to class. I forgot to take my vitamins. Why do they make vitamins so big? Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Gloria, and today I've got a very exciting video for you guys because this workout is going to be working all around your legs while adding in some lymphatic drainage movements and massages behind lymph nodes to get rid of any toxins in your legs, which is honestly one of the biggest factors as to why your legs look bulky. I like to use this routine on my bed. You can do it on the sofa, on the floor. So all of the lazy girls or the tired girls or the busy girls, this workout is for you. So there's no excuses. I hope you enjoy. For this entire routine, all you need to do is lay down, so just follow along. It's quite simple, but you're going to feel the burn in the very end. We're going to first fold our legs and bring our knees inwards. Go in your own pace. Now just give me 10 more. 7, 6, 3 more, 2, last 1. Great job. Now we're going to extend both our legs to the sky with our pointed feet. And you just extend your knees. Go up and down, up and down. Now, if you want to try the harder version, you can put in a squishy or some sort of a pillow between your knees, and again, lift it up and down. And as you lift up, make sure you squeeze your knees as much as possible. 3 more, 2, and 1. Now we're going to open up and flex our feet with our heels together. And we're going to do frog pumps. Again, when you lift it up, make sure you're squeezing your inner thighs and your knees. 10 more. 8. 5, squeeze. 4, 3, keep breathing. 2, make sure your feet are flexed. Last 1, squeeze. Awesome. Now we're going to do bicycles. We're going to just make rounds with our legs in circular motion. This works your lower abs as well, so it's an all-around workout. 8 more. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Now we're going to flex and open up our feet again. And this time we're just going to open and close our knees. Make sure you're bringing in your knees using your inner thigh muscles and really squeeze your abs tight. 8 more. 7, 6, squeeze. 5, 4, 3, 2, and last 1. Great job. Okay, again, now we're just going to open up our legs wide, and we're going to point and flex your feet. So point, flex, point, and flex. Make sure your legs are straight out, not your knees bent, and really flex and point using your inner thigh muscles. 6 more, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. I know that was a cute little movement, but you really should be feeling the burn by this point because I was. Now we're going to do 4 little flutters at the top and open up your legs wide again. Close and 4 little flutters and open wide. Again, small 4 little flutters and wide open. Give me 6 more sets and 5 more. Keep breathing. Now when you open wide, make sure your feet are flexed. 2 more. And last one. Great job, you guys. Now we're going to move on to my favorite part of the workout, which is lymphatic drainage massage. For this movement, you're going to open your legs wide and keep them flexed. And I like to lightly tap right between the hinge and hip area between your legs. This is where all of your lymphatic drainage and toxins are stored up. So it's important to lightly massage this area so that it clears the drainage and release any toxins and blood flow to go back and pump into your heart. And also just releasing any pressure or tensions in your legs because we're always standing up or using our legs somehow. Now we're going to massage right behind your knees and the sides of your knees. And as we're doing that, we're going to lightly massage and bring down, again, any stored up toxins that is behind your knees, which is where your lymphatic storage is located at. It's going to help to release any of those pressures and also help for blood flow. If your knees look a little bit bulky and your calves look a little bit bulky, you definitely want to be incorporating this routine. And now we're moving on to the other side. The reason why we're keeping our leg up high is because this helps to bring any stored up tension or pressures or blood flow back into your upper body. Because your legs are always beneath your upper body, there's going to be a lot of tensions that is stored up in there. And this creates that bulkiness, which a lot of you guys might not like, including me. So keep massaging that area around your knees, behind your knees, your calves, all that good stuff. And that is it, babes. I really hope you enjoyed this short little routine. It's very quick that you can incorporate into your daily lifestyle. Back to vloggy. Good morning. Let's go make lunch. 'Cause baby, like, ooh, it's all another flower lay. The sun goes around the state. Can't wait for the long day. 'Cause baby, like, ooh, it's all another flower lay. The sun goes around the state. Can't wait for the long day. The best chicken salad. 이렇게 작가 이렇게 작가